Welcome to Tammy's Ripping Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to do a super easy salad prep. I hope you enjoy. In this salad I'll be using some romaine lettuce, red cabbage, carrots, cucumber, and some peppers. You will also see I have some tomatoes and avocado. I just put that on the side after. So we'll start by cleaning 2 to 3 heads of romaine lettuce, depending how large they are. And you might be interested to know that about 600 grams of romaine lettuce has around 8 grams of protein. So once you've got that all rinsed, you will want to dry it really well. And now on to the other ingredients. I absolutely love my spiralizer. It's a Starfrit. It does the cucumber, zucchini, carrots, anything like that really well. And now it's time to slice your other ingredients and put in the bowl on top of the lettuce. I did put the tomatoes on top here, but I will set them aside before I mix it up. And here I have a small container all ready to go for lunch wraps. And you can see it's all tossed now and ready to go in the fridge. I've had this salad last 4 to 5 days. You can just put it in an airtight container and take out whenever you need it. It's also great for wraps. And these beans here are called Mung Beans, and they're really nice and easy to put on the top of your salads, and they are loaded in protein. I will have a video coming soon on those. I do hope you enjoyed this video. I just want you to see how fun and easy and versatile this salad can be. And I will also post some links of some sauces that I have available on my YouTube channel and also on my website. Thank you for watching.